Hi everyone, it's Jen Sheffer, and I wanted to create this short tutorial specifically for English teachers in Burlington so you can see exactly what types of topics are available to you in Discovery Education. So to access the content, you're going to start by going into your Discovery Education teacher dashboard and you'll click on Browse Subjects. From here, you'll scroll down and click on English Language Arts. You'll notice at the top left, you have the grade bands that you can click on, but the topics available are composition, grammar, literature, and reading. Before I show you additional topics in each category, I did want to point out that there are popular English language arts channels for you here in Discovery Ed. So there's an entire channel of audiobooks. So if I click on that, you can see all these different audiobooks that are available for whether it's elementary, middle, or high school. I think you'll find this really useful. I'm going to click back. You'll also see an entire channel for Shakespeare. There's The Hunger Games, Leaves of Grass, Pride and Prejudice, Violets and Other Tales, A Journey to the Interior of the Earth, and there's trending topics in ELA, there's current events, more audiobooks. So I just wanted to point that out before we get a little deeper here in each topic. So if we click on composition, you're going to see paragraphs, research, writing skills, sentences, and the writing process. So you can dig deeper into those topics. We also have grammar. We have grammatical exceptions, parts of speech, and parts of speech and writing. We have literature, literary devices, and literary genres. And last but not least, we have reading comprehension, decoding, vocabulary development, and word development. So again, I just wanted to highlight these topics and encourage you to explore the ones that align with what you teach and look at channels, look at activity boards, the images, and different content that's available in Discovery Ed for you as an English teacher. I appreciate you watching. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much.